Well, boys, we almost made it. 2025, it's December. No, it's November 2023. And the valve plate finally gave out. You see the hole in the flapper. And these idiots, look at that. Freaking aluminum rivet jag-offs. Wish I could replace just this. But I've also got rusting around the rings. And then I disconnected the power switch. Focus your bloody ass, man. Alright, yeah, see that? They soldered these on. In fact, all of these connections, pressure switch, soldered on. There's solder down in there. God! As if getting the rusted Phillips head screws out of these things wasn't hard enough.